today I'm going to present about my majors, which are two majors here, technology project management and network engineering. What I'm going to cover today is my background, why I choose technology project management and network engineering, and also I will talk about the future careers and my challenges. I got a bachelor degree in computer engineering from Thailand. What I studied are separated into three main majors, which are networking, programming, and hardware. For the networking, we study like how to set up the system for the organization. For example, at US Library, they bought a lot of computer and let the students to use it. And so they will hire us to handle with that situation. We will manage a group of computer that some will use with the internet, some will use with the printer, and some will use with the scanners specifically. And for the programming, there are a lot of sub-majors for the programming. Like we learn about software developing, web developing, image processing, and database. For the software developing, like we try to create the new programs that we'll use for computer, iPhone, or even other devices, such as maybe the printer or the scanners. Like we use C language programming, Java, and also C++ programming to handle with the programming. For the web developing, we merge between the database and the web designing, like so that we will use the PHP as well as MySQL. Both of them are the computer language, so we can design the website like you can see like Google, Yahoo, or even the university website. For the image processing, we can handle with, we can apply the image processing with the medical field. Like for example, if you want to look at the bad cell in your body, we can analyze that image by using the computer system to apply with it. And also with the database, what I learned is involved with the web developing, like I said before. And since computer engineering, before we invent the computer engineering, we are a part of electrical engineering, so that's why we also study with the hardware too. And with the hardware, like we study circuit analysis, which is, do you guys know the word circuit? Like electrical circuit.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can design a circuit system. We can create a robot. For example, you can see the Asimo in Honda. Yeah, we can create something like that by programming.
To do what?
Asimo in for Honda, the robot in Honda.
Yeah.
And that is my background. And okay, and right now I came here to pursue the master degree in technology project management and also network engineering. And both of them are double majors. So like before that, I had a dream, like I want to own some business. So I mean some business about computer and technology. So I need the knowledge in management and also the computer engineering. But okay, when I study computer engineering, I recognize like two disadvantages of computer engineering. The first one is that most of our job will be in team. So we cannot work individually. Like for one program, it is difficult to develop 1,000 lines of coding. So it's too difficult for us. So we usually work in group. So that's why we need to depend on each other. And the second thing is like, because we we work only with the computer. So many of us like lack of the communication skills. Like, okay, and I think that this is the most like disadvantages of computer engineering. Like, we cannot contact with the customer like what they want, and so that how can we produce the program, or how can we design the system that is matched for the customer. So that here are two disadvantages of computer engineering. And for the management, I think that I didn't choose it for the bachelor because I think it's too general for me. Like, even though I studied management, but if I want to own my business about computer, I need some knowledge in computer field too. So that's why I didn't choose management in the bachelor degree. So, okay, with this program from U of H, they are merging between business and technology fields. So I can study in both, like management and computer. I can be the specialized. By the way, I can learn about the business way, like how can I do the marketing, how can I deal with the customer efficiently, and that makes me interested. And so finally, with that, I can maximize my company in the future. Like, so with two knowledge in two fields, I can deal with both computer and management. Okay, for the requirement in this field, we need got a bachelor degree, of course, but if you want to do both programs, I mean double majors, you need to graduate in the engineering field and also maybe mathematics field. But for the mathematics field, you need to take like for test for background exams, so that they can evaluate you, like how much you know about computer or technology. And of course, yeah, we need the GRE as well as TOEFL. GRE, they require like 300 for the new score and 1,100 for the old version. And of course, TOEFL, they require like 79. And also we need the GPA at least 3.0 from 4 scales. And if you got the GPA lower than this, but higher than 2.75, you still can get into the program, but maybe with the conditional acceptance. And also, yeah, letter of intent and 3 letters of reference. Okay, for the future careers, we can work in the network engineer. We can work as a computer engineer. We can work as a project manager, and also like we can own some businesses by ourselves. Okay, for the challenges, like today many people interested in technology field. So like many students try to study the computer and also technology, so we have high competitive levels. But that will be my challenge, because I will find a way to make a difference. How can I be better than other people so that I can get a lot of benefit. I can have more advantage than them. And also with this field, I have unlimited imagination. I can create and design new program. I can create and design new system and new tools. Like for example, like Steve Jobs, or even though he didn't graduate from the school, but with the technology field, like he can have his imagination. He can invent an iPhone as well as Apple. So in my conclusion, with this field, I can reach my goal, which is to own the business And also, I love to work with computer and people. And yeah, the last thing is like I can innovate the technology and computer program. Oh, and I forgot one last thing. I didn't mention in this slide because I choose this field because when I graduate from this field, I can earn a lot of money too. And yeah, that's it for my presentation. Thank you.